Wi-Fi update day, Wi-Fi update day. Today we got the Linksys Velop system. We got a new modem we're gonna install, an 8-port switch, and a ring chime to help with the cameras. Stay tuned. Alright, let's go ahead and first get the modem installed. I'm going to install the modem with the old router still attached just to make sure that the internet works so I don't have any troubleshooting issues or any problems. Let's see if I can figure out how to open a box. I don't think I know how. I really don't think I know how. Okay, there we go. Yes. Apparently this thing is pretty decent. So we'll hook that up right now, confirm that the internet works on the old router, and then we'll move on to the Linksys. Alright, let's go plug this in. Alright, let's install this modem. Don't mind my bushy hair. Already put the power plug in the back. We're doing an even exchange here. Unscrew the cable, plug into the new one. Yes, yes. Okay, I found the hole. Okay, plug in the Ethernet cable. Oh damn, where'd the power go? Here we go. Now, this should just work. In theory. We'll give it a second, and I'll have my daughter test the internet. Stay tuned. Okay, so after I installed the modem, I actually had to call the cable company and give them the MAC address of the cable modem, and they went ahead and made the swap. So internet's good to go. I'm gonna focus our attention, let me get my camera, to this old beast. Well, maybe not a beast. Used to work good, but we're swapping you out, buddy. And maybe I'll do a little cleanup under here as well. Okay, next up is the meat and potatoes. Why is my knife so big? I don't know. Who cares? Let's just get this thing open. Oh yes, look at this. Oh my god. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah, baby. This is what I've been waiting for. What a beaut. What a freaking beauty. Okay, setup guide. Nobody cares for that. Should be easy. So apparently these things are like damn near identical. Let's get that old piece of crap out and place in one of these. Alright, let's do a quick swap out. Sorry, buddy. You got to get your butt on out of here. I'm tired of you. Oh, so much freaking better. Let's get the internet cable around here. Just plug you right to the back. Either or, I think will work. Oh cool, it even has an area where you can put the cord behind. Genius! Alright, let me just power it up and we'll see what's happening with it. Alright, got the power plugged in, Ethernet port. Go ahead and flip it on. I believe that is it. All you have to do is go download the app, make sure it connects, and then we'll install the second one. And then I'm also going to connect a switch into the other port here, plant that right underneath, just for extra peripherals. Stay tuned. Alright, let's go hook up the switch now. Let's go ahead and we can actually put it in there. Other end of it will go to the bottom of this. Route the cable through. Beautiful. Let's So now we can plug in the rest of our devices into this bad boy. Okay, now that I got the node set up, switch, I already plugged everything in there. Next thing, we just go to the app here. Let me focus. Alright, and it already found a node. So let's just hit next. I'm gonna set up a custom password, but we'll just give it a minute and we'll be good to go. Okay, so setup has gone fantastic so far. This is the second node I'm gonna place in my daughter's messy room. Already got the power connected. Let's just go ahead and connect the Ethernet port there and power it on. She's a gamer, so she's gonna need a connection here straight to her PlayStation. And then let's just grab the phone and make sure it connects this node. Be right back. Okay, so we're just gonna select add another node here. Already placed it. Next. Okay. Just give that a second to find the node. They usually actually find pretty quickly. Alright, so we got everything working fine. Just to recap, we put a new Netgear cable modem in. After you install this, make sure you contact your ISP and give them the MAC address of that. And then we went ahead and ran a cable straight to the Linksys Velop system. And from there, we ran a cable to our little cable modem here. Sorry for the ghetto setup, but you know how it goes. And then, so that bad boy's working. Blue light's on, switch is on. And then, let's go to my daughter's room here. Bless you. We went ahead and installed one right in the back here. Same thing. She has a direct connection to her PlayStation. We are good to go. I'll give you the network speed in a second. Okay, we're just doing a speed test right now. Looks pretty good. This was only supposed to be 100 meg download speed, but after I upgraded that modem, definite speed difference there. Waiting on the upload, taking its sweet little time. Come on, give it to me. Ah, that sucks. Well, who cares? As long as the download's good, I don't do much uploading anyways, guys. Thank you, take it easy, be safe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.